So, welcome back. I'm Claire, this is Purple Poppy, and today we are on our coffee break crafting. Now, this is one of the lace pages that we did, not last week, the week before. This is in my Ko-fi site if you didn't make one but you would like to use it. I know one lady commented on the fabric one that she didn't have a scanner, so she couldn't split it up. Well, that is why I said that I would put it into my Ko-fi for you, because I'm aware that not everybody has all of the equipment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it in half like that. Okay, and then I'm going to fold it in half again, so just folding up to my fold line, and then I'm going to do it again. So basically we've got 4 pieces that are the same size. Okay, I'm now going to take my Stanley, get my mate Stanley out. It's alright, a lady commented on the fact that it's a Stanley ruler and how I should make better. Oh, don't do what I did and go off on a strange line. I should make better friends with my Stanley, my mate Stanley. So I'm just trimming these down. As I say, don't do what I did and go off pieced. Stick to your ruler. That's better. So I need to trim this one because I do need... Actually, I'm going to have to use 3 because that's got a smaller bit on it now. But you'll have 4. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold them off of half. So if we turn them on their backs and we take this one and I'm going to fold it, what is that? Let's line it up on my mat. 2 centimetres, there you go, like that, and just fold it. And then the next one I'm going to sit 2 centimetres up. So if I put this piece on the end there, I'll do it there so you can see, 2 centimetres in, and then when we fold it, yeah, it's going to be up like that. So I take that away because I can see that's crooked. Line that up so it's nice and straight. And then that one's going to go inside there like that. And you can see we're getting a graduation. And then I'm going to do this one as well. So line our full piece up first. And then I'm going 2 centimetres again. And then I'm folding again, okay, to give us a good graduation. And that one obviously tucks there like that. So we've now got 6 pieces, and this is the easiest way, in my opinion, to do a waterfall. So now I'm going to go in here and line it up to my centre folds. Make sure you get a good straight cut like that, and then turn them over in reverse order because they were the whites. Put that one on top, line them all up, tap them down. You can see where I didn't cut all my lines completely straight. I'm going to put a little staple in the top of mine. And now, because I didn't cut them straight and they're off skew, I'm just going to line it up with the thinnest one there at the bottom. And I'm just going to trim my edge like that. Okay, so now we've got nice, perfectly straight line. I'm going to do a little bit of decoration for the top, so you can pull any little bit of fabric or lace or whatever you've got, to hand. I've got this bit of my granddaughter's dress still floating around, so I'm just going to rip a little piece of, no I'm not, I'm going to rip a little piece of that. You could use, as I say, any printed paper, any fabric, whatever you want. I'm going to lay this on here because that then will hide my staple. So just a little bit of stick glue across the top like that. Pop this on there like so, turn it over, stick it down on the back, take my scissors, trim off the excess fabric. Okay, and then if you've got a little bit of ribbon, let me find a blue, there's a nice blue piece of ribbon, so trim that there. And it's alright, I've got them hanging up next to me, so I'll just spin, and then I'm just going to tie a little bow. Famous last words when you're on film. Honestly, tie bows all day long, don't you, without thinking about it. The minute the camera's on, you can't tie, look, you can't tie a bow for love nor money. Oh my goodness. Come on, Claire. What's the matter with you? Oh, seriously. There you go. Even up your little ears and wings. And then I've got a little bit of glue going on there. I'm going to put my little bow on the top there. And just like that, in literally 10 minutes, you've got the cutest little notepad ever. So we find this is our next page. That is going to go on there like that. So I'm just going to glue down the whole of the back one, because this is so pale because it was all lace that you can easily write on top of it if you want to, and B, we want that to stay in place. And there, look, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little note sheets that you can write on the top of, on the back of, or both. There you go. Oh, my little bows fell off. I didn't give him a chance for his glue to dry. There you go. You sit there. Quick, simple and fun. As always, thank you for joining me. Stay safe. I hope you found joy and inspiration. I'll see you very soon. Ta-ta for now.